We won't stage our vehicle until it's close to pickup. I'm gonna go back to the house, take pictures, and then we're gonna stage the car. We do not drive our cars that we have on Turo. These are our assets, not liabilities, and we're not going to be a liability to our assets. I'm gonna take some pictures and I'll show you guys afterwards what the car looks like, okay? Appreciate you. So I'm getting ready to stage our Honda on our lock boxes here. So these are the codes here. You can change the codes in the background. I highly recommend that you change them every trip. We do. We change it every single time. And it's pretty easy. As you can see, you just go back there and just click the ups and the downs, the code. And then we put the code in our notes. Getting ready to put the keys in the car. We're gonna lock the car. Putting it inside this our little folder here. Always check your code and make sure the doors are locked before you put your keys in there. That way, in case you put the code in incorrectly or whatever. And that's it. She's all clean, ready for the next trip.